What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports YouTube channel. We are here for episode number 4 of our pit cart build. This is where we're at so far. If you've been following along, or if you haven't been following along, go back and watch the first 3 videos. We are currently at this much for our running total. And I don't believe tonight we're going to add anything else to the running total, as we are just working on getting the rest of the sheet metal done. Around the wheel wells. And I think that's about it, and then she'll be ready for powder coat. So hopefully tonight we can get her done for powder coat, but that's the plan tonight, to get all the wheel wells done, capping any of these little metal end pieces, and we'll be ready to go. So appreciate you clicking on this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out the first 3 episodes, and this is where we're at so far. We've made a little progress here. This is our back piece. Just drew it out. We've got to get it cut out. But this is our back piece that's going to go on here. Got to cut that piece out so we have access to our nitrogen bottle still. And then we show Nate over here. He's working on the second one. He's already got the first one of these done. Figuring it out. But if we go back over to our pit cart, we have our first wheel well. Right, like so. Left enough room that we can get the wheel off and on still. Believe it or not, we have blown a pit cart tire in the past. So that'll be there. And then on the back here, put a little recess in there with a bead roller so that we can put our back piece along and tack weld it all flush, so that this will get powder coated along with everything else. And then we got to put a little cap on the end there, since we decided to put it all inset. But yeah, making good progress so far. Good enough.
All right.
What do you want, Edson?
17 3/4.
Good.
That's good. Perfect.
Good. Love it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't read it.
There we go. There we go. That's good.
Now, is that really 90?
Not quite.
That's pretty damn 90 though.
Pretty close.
You're just making sure your line works?
Yeah, but it's really off. I'm not quite sure why.
Nah, it's just working good.
Yeah.
You know the good thing about race cars? You don't see both sides at the same time.
No, that's fair. That's fair.
Except when you're doing donuts.
Yep.
But we're not doing donuts with a pit cart.
No.
Okay, so this is the second wheel well. Then we'll cut this out. This is the rough cut. Then we will cut it out. We will tack weld it on here. And that is half of the bottom skirting done. So good progress. And I've had a few people comment and ask for exact dimensions on this thing. The dimensions that we put in the first video are still true. When we get closer to the end, or maybe when we get back from powder coat, I'll put some more specific dimensions on there. Maybe I'll update the drawing with some more specific dimensions. Honestly, we kind of just winged this thing. We kind of just knew the size that it needed to be and kind of the way we want it to look. And this is where we're at. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, because in another episode or 2, I will put some more specific dimensions and probably put another more accurate drawing up.
There we go.
It's all in the details, Nate.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it.
Pretty good.
All right, we're jacked up off the ground again on this side because we're getting ready to, well, got this side tacked in already. And we got both sides done. Both sides, both sides and both front and back are built, fabricated. Looks sweet, perfect fits. I really like the way we did this with everything, you know, sunk in rather than just putting it up over top. We took the time and 90'd everything and got it all tacked in and everything. So these pieces will be powder coated the same color as everything on the chassis. So once this is all tacked in, I think we are ready to get the hubs and everything off and get her off to powder coat. So make sure you come back for the next episode so you can see what color we go with. But if you're a fan of JRD Motorsports, I think you probably have an idea. It's ready for powder coat, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I know a lot of people have commented and want some build plans and stuff. So like I said earlier, we'll get on that. But yeah, so no more expenses tonight, just the metal that we already factored in. So in the next episode, we'll obviously add the cost of powder coat. I have an idea of what it's going to cost, but we'll have to see. I'm not sure exactly. So we got some more stuff coming down the pipeline. We're gonna build ourselves a fab table for our shop, so that'll be another episode of the JRD Motorsports vlog coming in the next month or so. We're gonna build a nice 7-foot by 3-foot fab table, and we'll vlog that. And then we're working on some other exciting stuff that we might be announcing here in the next couple of months or so. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on all of our other social media channels, and check out our website, jrdmotorsports.ca. That's going to do it for tonight. I appreciate everybody checking this out. Make sure you drop a comment below. Let us know what you think, and if there's anything else that you want to see on this thing here, we'll do a 360 before we kill the video. But that's it. That's all I got. And check out the progress from tonight.